Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and for those of you who are new to the channel, I am the Food Pantry Chef. I have a Food Pantry haul here for you right now. I'm going to show you what I got from the Food Pantry, but not only that, I'm going to show you what you can do with the food you get from the Food Pantry. If ever you're wondering, what the heck do I do with this? So come on, let's go.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
We're going to be starting from left to right. Today, nieces and nephews, we have a wonderful haul. Look at this. We've got some collard greens, 2 cans. I hit the mega thing of canned goods today. I love collard greens. I got 2 cans of spaghetti sauce, 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Now, you know I'm going to combine this together and make a wonderful spaghetti or maybe a lasagna. 2 cans of cut green beans. Oh, yeah. 2 cans of garbanzo beans. Finally, I perfected my hummus recipe, and I'm going to share that with you guys sometime this week, okay? I promise, I promise. I know I've said that before, but I'm going to do it this time. Ooh, 2 cans of no salt added kernel corn. Wonderful for soups and everything, which is going to come in handy today because that's a hint of what I'm going to make. 2 cans of mixed fruit. Now, these make wonderful smoothies. I don't put the syrup in it. I put honey, but it is wonderful. You can also make a wonderful sherbet out of these. You freeze it, blend it up, and then freeze it again. Oh, yeah. We've got some spaghetti rings. Jay loves these. You know, if you put some cheese on top of these and bake them or do it on the stovetop, the kids will eat it up. 2 cans of low-sodium tomato soup. Absolutely love that. 2 cans of vegetable soup. This is wonderful as stock to make any type of soup you want. Then we've got 2 cans of deep sea red salmon. Oh, yeah. Now, let's hop over here. 2 bags of cornflakes. Yes, yes. Great for breakfast. We've got 2 bags of oatmeal. Oatmeal, you know, people overlook oatmeal. You can dress it with bananas, raisins, dried cherries, a little drizzle of honey. It is a wonderful superfood, okay? Now, let's jump over to the world of carbs and pasta. I've got 5 macaroni and cheese dinners. Now, if you're unaware and new to the channel, I do not use the packet inside of here because I cook low sodium to bring your blood pressure down. If you've got high blood pressure, I'll show you how to lower it, okay? Make your own macaroni and cheese. I have a video on that. But you can also use the pasta in here for casseroles, soups, a plethora of things, even desserts. I've got 2 more bags of elbow macaroni. 2 bags of long grain enriched rice. You can make shrimp fried rice, Spanish rice, jollof rice, all kinds of things. Now over here, 2 bags of whole shell roasted almonds. Oh, yes. And I've got some raisins, 2 bags. You can make your own trail mix with this. Just mix it together. Great snack and healthy snack for the kids. 2 cans, or rather jars, of peanut butter. 2 strawberry jelly fruit spreads. These, if you don't know, I love this. You see that? No high fructose corn syrup. It's a fruit spread. You could put that in crescent rolls as a wonderful baked treat. It's great. I've got some bananas. I'm going to slice those up, use them for smoothies, and on top of my cereal for breakfast. Now, let's get to the meat. We've got 2 bags of drumsticks, fried chicken, chicken soups. Oh, this would be wonderful. I've got a bag of catfish nuggets, Don't sleep them. You can fry them up Southern style for a great soul food dinner. I've got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. These are great for soups or buffalo chicken sandwiches. Wonderful. I've got 2 ground turkeys, 1 pound each. These are great for turkey burgers, soups, turkey loaf. Yes, I love me a turkey loaf. They say meatloaf. I love a turkey loaf. Now over here, we've got some toiletries. They gave 4 rolls of toilet paper. And then I got some sweets. Oh, let's see what we got here. Chocolate cake. You know what? This is a German chocolate cake. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Jay's going to go to town on that. I love German chocolate cake. And then we've got just a regular chocolate cake. Looks really good. Very moist. Oh, yeah. A pack of cornbread. Now that's going to go good with the greens I got. And look at this. Some apple pastries. Oh, if you don't know me by now, you should know I love apple pastries. Love them. Let's pan and see what we got right here. This is a true blessing, and it is wonderful raw foods that you can make a plethora of recipes. Our canned goods, our breakfast foods, our pasta, our grains, meats and dessert, and toiletries. Oh yeah. Now I tell you what, we're going to take this, and guess what we're going to make? I'm going to make, out of these simple ingredients, these 2 cans of vegetable soup, some pasta, this ground turkey, my turkey soup. Come on, let me show you how I'm going to do it. What we're going to need for our soup, of course, our turkey, 3 onions, a can of black beans, I just wanted to add that, our 2 vegetable soups, of course. I am cheating and adding a chicken soup, but only because I don't have any chicken stock right now. Some sodium-free garlic seasoning, some oregano, it's hiding back there, some thyme, black pepper, Italian seasoning, and some onion powder. Let's chop up our onions. Now, let's go over here and caramelize our onions. In our pan, we're going to put some olive oil. Oh yeah. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Very important, because we are going to caramelize these onions. That's going to add a big flavor to this soup, I'm telling you. Now over here, I've already boiled 2 cups of pasta, the elbow macaroni. Yeah. I'm going to drain them right quick while I put in our onions. These onions up a little bit. I'm putting in about a teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to do the same with some black pepper. And my low sodium to salt-free garlic seasoning. Now let's get these golden brown. Now you see how we've got our onions basically caramelized, but not quite all the way. Now it is time to add our turkey. I'm adding the whole 1 pound. We're going to work that in here and season it well. Repeat our spices. The oregano. The thyme. Our garlic seasoning. Onion powder. Now we're going to add our Italian seasoning to it. And our black pepper. Let's mix that up. At this point, our turkey's almost there. All right, so now we're gonna mix our onions in with our turkey. Oh, yes. I do wish they had smell-o-vision. Oh, yes. This combination here has so much flavor. You will be amazed and delighted. Oh, yes. Because the soup eats like a meal. All right. Let's get this done. Then we're going to add it to our noodles that I've already drained and add our soup mixtures plus our liquid. Now that our mixture is done to perfection, I might add, I'm going to put our mixture in our noodles. Swap eyes. Let's give this a nice mix together. Now what we're going to do, add in our black beans, juice and all. Okay. Both our vegetable soups. Our chicken noodle soup. Noodles and all, don't worry about it. Just adds to it. Now we're going to put in 3 cans worth of liquid. 1, 2, and 3. And of course, by saying liquid, I do mean water. Now, we're going to bring our fire up, bring this to a boil, and cook it down some. We are now going to repeat our spices once again. Ooh, I put a little much. That's all right. It's my sodium-free garlic seasoning. You can't have too much garlic. Put in your oregano. Put in some thyme. Literally. Not much. Some black pepper. Your Italian seasoning. And of course, let's put in some more onion powder. I put in about a tablespoon of that. We're going to mix this together. We're going to bring this to a boil, then we're going to let it simmer and cook down for at least about 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Not too much. It's a soup now. You don't want to make it into a casserole. All right. And look, it almost eats like a chili. I'm telling you, this is a wonderful dish. All right. Ah, yes. And now our soup has cooked down and ready to serve. This makes an entire pot for a large family, or you can freeze it and save it and eat it at your leisure. Come on, let's dish it up. Will you look at that? already. I embellished it with some crackers and sour cream. It was fat-free until I did that. On a cold winter's night, let's turn up the heat. Nieces and nephews and all my newbies out there, this, hits the spot every time. Excuse me. Like, comment, and subscribe. You gotta try this. Look, if you're on a budget and you want something good over the winter, this is it. This is just one example of what you can do with stuff from the food pantry. And it serves a lot. Not only will you supplement your budget for your grocery buying, because let's face it, going to the store right now is scary. My hair's all over my head. It's as scary as my hair. So, don't be ashamed to go to the food pantry. Forget the stigma about it. Hold your head up high and smart, because it's all about survival, okay? You can write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com, okay? Write to me about anything. Just let me know. Even if you just want to chit and chat. All right. I'm going to go cozy up on this cold night. Watch me a movie and have me some soup. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.
Uncle Chris, what you got